on 6th Street between 1st and 2nd Avenues, closer to 1st. This is one of the most neglected bikes I've seen today. This thing is so rusty, I can't even turn the nut. Look at the tire.
Oh,
Isn't that great?
is it supposed to be like that?
No, outside the ring.
Oh, nah, I don't know.
That shit like
Is it really that bad?
It's that bad.
Breaker bar?
Yeah.
You're gonna strip it.
I'm probably gonna break the aluminum. Oh, there it goes. See, now you want to come and say something stupid to the customer. Like, where'd you get this? Did you just pull it out of the river? But that would be very disrespectful, so I'm not going to say it. See, now it spins.